Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is on the Dream Media Installs channel. Today we're going to be going over how to install your rack mounting hardware to the MadVR NV Pro and NV Extreme Mark II. So first of all, you're going to need the hardware that come with the units. So as you can see, here they are right here. You're going to have 4 screw holes on one side, and then you're going to have 2, and that's where you're actually going to mount to the rails of the front of the rack. You will also have some replacement screws if you happen to lose any of these right here on the NV itself, and then the rack mounting screws to attach to the rack. So there's 4 of these with the washers as well. So I'll show you how to do that as well. But first of all, you're going to spin around on the side of the unit and you're going to see 4 screw holes right here. So first thing we'll need to do is go ahead and undo these. And then you're going to find the matching hardware. There's actually a recessed lip. It's going to be hard to see, but once you have it in hand, you're going to be able to see it. It's actually the depth of this front faceplate. What I would do is put it against the unit and slide it up. That lip is really going to catch the front. You'll just want to line up your screw holes. I'm going to put the top and bottom one in just to hold it. Again, if you do lose one, or if you're going a little fast and you strip one, there are some replacements if needed, but just go take your time and you will have no problems. Voila, now you have the front rack support attached to the side of the unit. And what we'll need to do is just repeat process over to the other side. That's going to wrap it up for today's video on how to install the rack mounting hardware included with the new Mark II version of the MadVR NV, whether it be the Pro or the Extreme. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.